Oh, Chester, where are we, huh? You can whip people with that as you go past them. Chester, you're getting cut off, mate. Oh, that's new.
I think there's werewolves about here.
Oh my goodness, someone cannot wait to get to the beach. Not even wait for his dad. Oh, Chester, who's that? I don't think they're looking too happy, mate. I couldn't wait. He went crazy and needed to go to the beach as soon as possible. Oh, Chester, where are we, huh? We're at the beach. Oh, that's exciting. So many potential friends. You good boy. Yeah. Lots of doggy friends around, but a lot of them aren't going near Chester because he's making this awful racket. Too excited, aren't you, mate? I think because we haven't been to the beach in a while, so he's excited to be at the beach, and then also excited because there's lots of other doggy friends. So excited. Look, he's even looking at you and thinking, no, I'm not having any of this. It's such a beautiful evening today, and on Fridays I get to finish work an hour early, so we decided to bring Chester to the beach. Yeah, he's looking a bit impatient there, not knowing why his dad is filming the ocean when there's all this other land to explore. Oh, Chester, mate, not too impressed, are you? You want to go walkies? We're very lucky to have Bournemouth Beach and sandbanks so close, so we're able to come here quite often, but we don't tend to, simply because of there's always, well, I say always, not in the winter time so much, but in the summertime it's horrific here. Everyone comes to the beach, so we tend to go more to these smaller places to explore that people don't really know about because it's not advertised. Have you ever seen one of those? I don't know if you can see it very well, but I remember the first time we encountered one of those people, like just zooming past, and they look like they're levitating across the water on a surfboard or a hoverboard. So bizarre. But I don't know if you guys can see. Over there is Old Harry's Rocks, and there's the Purbeck, and then you've got Knoll Beach. That's a lovely walk there. You could get the ferry across from Sandbanks over to Knoll Beach and do a walk that way. There is a nudist beach. I will warn you, because some people don't expect it, even though there is a small sign there that kind of indicates, yeah, nudist beach starts here, and then it tells you when it ends. But Sandbanks, I mean, maybe you've heard of that place. It's one of the wealthiest locations in the UK. They have houses that are worth absolute millions, and just over where Sandbanks is, there's Brownsea Island, which is another beautiful location. It's run by the National Trust, and one of the few places that actually have red squirrels. So you can get a ferry over to Brownsea, but there's one ferry that will actually take you around Brownsea first, and you can actually see some of the houses with their private beaches and everything. Oh, Chester's got a friend. Oh, Chester, who's that, buddy? Who's that? Hello. Oh, Chester. Chester absolutely loves spaniels. I think because when we did that puppy hour, there was a couple of spaniels he used to play with, and he's just got that association now. But yeah, if you come sort of this way, I definitely recommend a little trip to Brownsea Island. But in the summertime, it does get busy. So keep that in mind. I think you can pre-book if you want to. But this is what I mean. That's why we're so lucky to live here, because in the winter time we get the place basically to ourselves. This is how this beach should be. Probably in the summertime we'll give you a glimpse of what it looks like when all the holiday makers come here and you can't see an inch of sand. It's just colourful parasols, like little pop-up tents, and the wind divider things. Oh, Chester, happy lad. Just popped to the toilet, now heading back. Oh, Chester's practicing some tricks. Such a good boy. Such a good boy doing your tricks. Oh, hi puppy, it's been so long. It's been so long. Oh.
You've been a very good boy.
Have you?
Yeah, doing tricks with distraction.
Oh, good job, Chester. That's very clever. Dogs on the beach past this point, oh yeah.
Yeah, we're all allowed.
Yay. Yeah, there's certain times where you can't, I think during summertime, because some people don't pick up their poop. There's also distractions and probably bad things that you could eat from all the barbecues on the beach.
Oh, that's a good sticky.
Oh, it's just a bit of seaweed too, isn't it? Oh, a mighty stick.
Look at that one.
You can whip people with that as you go past them. Oh, the feisty stick. Oh no. Oh, Chester, get it. It's Daddy being mean again. Oh no. His sandy little puppy face. Oh, thank you. You're using me as a support.
You wouldn't believe it, but it's really cold today too. It feels like it should be just a nice springy day, but no, it's like 2-3 degrees. Really cold, but really nice. Well, if it's going to be really cold, I prefer it to be nice and sunny.
They have really done this beach up a lot these past 10 years. But if you can see behind us is Rockwater Restaurant, and there's also a Rockwater Bar. And it's really nice actually, a little bit pricey being commercial and in a really nice sort of position at Branksome Car Park. But if you want a bit of a treat, they do really good food there, and I've heard that the breakfast is really good as well. Shane and I have been meaning to go, but just finding time. Oh, bonus, they're dog friendly, so you can go in and or sit on the balcony with your little pooch and have a cup of coffee and watch the sunrise or sunset. It's lovely. Fortunately, the sun does set over the hill there, so as you can see, we don't get much sun. It sort of disappears off into the distance.
It's still really nice during summer though.
Oh yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It just gets so warm here. It takes a while for the sea to heat up, but definitely worth a visit. But I would probably recommend more spring or autumn to be honest, if you don't want the crowds. I thought it was a hay bale. It looks like a hay bale. Someone just left their horse here overnight or something. Now it's a seahorse.
Pretty stable.
Oh, stable, is that another horse pun? Well, I showed you over that side, but just looking back over here, just showing you Bournemouth there. Focusing on my finger there. But yeah, we've got Bournemouth, and then it goes into, there's Hemsbury Head. Why does it focus on my finger? There you go, you can see Hemsbury Head, and quickly that's the Isle of Wight. It's still focused on my finger, and that's the person running with their dog. Beautiful scenery. Chester, what are you doing?
He's got his prize.
What's your prize?
Shell.
Oh, that's new. Is that new and fun and shiny? Oh, Chester, it's going into the ground. There you go. He's enjoying that. Lots of fun to be had at the beach. Shane trying to do Chester vision. It just looks a bit odd if anyone watching. Just chasing after the puppy in a crouched position. Oh, Chester, you're getting cut off, mate. What are you gonna do? Quick, before the sea comes back.
Look at the size of these paw prints. It's as big as my foot. I think there's werewolves about here.
Good boy. Good, nice and settled.
Good boy. Good job, Steph.
Just trying to train Chester to be a bit more settled around different environments, including like cafes and outdoor public areas. So he's doing really well. Just sitting there and watching people.
Good boy.
Only really gets up for people who are running or for dogs that appear. But yeah.
You're gonna sit? Good boy.
Yeah, doing commands with all these distractions as well is really good progress. Very proud of you, buddy. You're doing great. Bournemouth's looking pretty in the sunset. Sparkling little windows there. Chester, shall we go home, do you think? You want your din-dins? Huh?
Do you want a big?
Oh, very good. Here you go, get din-dins and have desserts. You want dessert? You want the treat in my hand, don't you? You got to sit though. You're going to sit? Oh, and beg. That was very nice. Good job, Chester. Well done. Nice, sweet little face. You are a cutie when you want to be, aren't you? Yeah, big brown eyes.
Chester,
come on.
you're going to be Paul?
Good boy. Well done. You're a good boy. Good job.
We try something a bit difficult. Chester, do you want to spin? Ooh, is it too
Oh,
difficult?
yeah. Chester, you going to spin? Spin? Good boy. Good job. You're such a good boy.
Let's go home, mister.
Come on, let's go home. Go get some din-dins and some dessert, yeah? You want dessert? Oh, blah, 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 blah.
Chester rates Bournemouth Beach 5 out of 5 paws. He particularly loves the taste of the sand, the smelly seaweed, and of course, all the potential friends.
Come on. Oh, it's exciting. Good boy. Come on. Oh, Chester. Oh, Chester, that's enough. Come on. Good boy. It's good that he's turning away now as well. He wasn't doing that before. He'd always drag backwards and want to see the dog still until it was like out of sight. So he's done very good now. Very good job. Let's getting dark now, so we're gonna head on home, get some dinner in us and enjoy the rest of the evening. We've got 2 days ahead of us that are filled with sunshine, so we're very excited. We're going to be going for 2 walks that we've planned. We won't reveal them yet actually. I was going to say them, but you know what, nah, I'm going to keep it a secret. We'll see you next time and looking forward to exploring them together. Catch you in a bit.
Bye.
Chester, mate, you going to say goodbye? No, you're just going to walk off. I think he's focused on getting food. Come on, Chester.